Hello everyone, this is Monty's Courses and this is part 7 of the HTML coding series. And today we're going to be learning about how do I embed videos onto my website, and I will show you how to do that. So first of all, you want to go in your code, right? Type in video, and then what you're going to want to do is do source equals, and then so for today's source we're going to be using this video right here. If you want to go it, or if you want to get it, you can go to W Free Schools, and then they have this little sample video that you can use. So if you want to use it, go here, open video in new tab, and you have it here, right? So you just copy the link and then come back here, paste it in, and then we can run it. And there's a video, but as you noticed, you can't really play it. So we're gonna do that right now. So to be able to play the video, you want to do controls, right? And now we have controls. So now we can play the video, right? Wow, that's cool. Now, if you wanted to auto play the video, instead of having to manually click it, you hit do auto play, right? And as soon as you get on the website, there it goes. It's a little loud, but I'm gonna put it on controls right now. Alright, so now what are other things you can do? Or this is gonna be the message that shows when the browser doesn't support playing videos. So be like, sorry, your browser doesn't support this feature, or something like that, right? And then if the video were not to load, then it would say, sorry, your browser doesn't support this feature, and put currently, just so it sounds more professional, right? And then for the next thing, you can also do like width and height, like I said, like with the images. So let me go back here, width, right, 300, height 300, and then boom, there we go. So that's pretty much it with videos. It wasn't really that hard. It's pretty simple. If you ever want to or a quick tip, like if you want to do YouTube videos, you can't use the YouTube link. I tried it with my video and that did not work. So you're gonna have to download it and then use it MP4, right? So you have to be able to like open it like this in your browser to be able to get it. And I'll show you how to do that in another tutorial, but this is all for now. This has been how to make videos appear on your website, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you and goodbye.